This is a keeper, man. I could tell. What do you think?
I see a mouth. It's pretty big.
Oh, it's huge! I see the white. Oh, not the triangle net. Can I net it for you?
I got it.
Oh, it might be close. Wow, nice, Danny. Danny just landed a keeper. All right, guys, so Danny just got his first keeper of the year, 2021, on the kayak. Ew! What a beautiful color for a kayak. You don't see it very often.
You like that floating carrot?
So Danny asked me how the halibut fishing's been lately. And then maybe 2 or 3 seconds later, we got one. I was a little worried about the triangle net. Kind of scarred from that thing.
Oh, you don't like them?
No. Danny's about to put it on the stringer. Secure that catch before he does anything with it. I guess riding that ridgeline was a good idea.
I guess so. That guide service.
That Nick Fish guide service. Oh my God, good thing you put him on the stringer, Danny. Did that give you a heart attack or what?
It did, because I don't have the stringer attached to the boat yet. It's right at 22. Whoa, my rod.
No, I got it.
So nose at the front, tail right at 23 actually. Just touching.
First one of the year, Danny.
That's right.
Congrats, buddy.
As long as it's not the last one.
You! Keeper!
Yeah, 23.
Thanks for watching, guys. And now let's do this giveaway. The amount of people that entered the contest warms my heart, guys. I'm glad you guys enjoyed it. Also, at least 10 people were within 25 feet of the answer. The 2 winners, only missing it by 1 foot. And last thing before I do the giveaway, I have my website up finally. Link in the description below if you're interested. We're really building a great community here. So I appreciate everybody that entered the giveaway. So as Liam finishes up this reel, getting towards the end of the spool, this number here is in yards, so we'll end up multiplying it by 3 to get our final number for the giveaway. Almost there. And 258, guys. 258 is the winning number. 2 winners for a halibut and rockfish package. Like I said, we had multiple people within 10 and even within 5. Congratulations to Avery and Dad Life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.